Hey kids, so today I'm going to teach you how to spin your sprite. Okay, so for this we'll create a new project in Scratch, MIT website. Okay, so let the project get loaded. Okay, so here you go. First we rename the project. So we are going to spin this sprite, or you can change it to something else also. Okay, so let's see which other sprite we have. Okay, so let's take this cat sprite and I'm keeping this arrow. How to spin the sprite? To spin a sprite, we are going to go in the motion block, this block, that is turn 15 degrees. Turning, okay, but we want it to turn more, right? We want it to spin. So how to do it? We need to repeat this action, right? So to repeat, we'll go in control option and we have repeat block. Okay, now let's see how it works. Yeah, it's spinning, but it's stopping after certain amount of time, right? So we can increase it from here. Suppose we keep it 40. Still stopping after a certain amount of time. So maybe we can use forever in place of forever and repeat. The difference is repeat stops after a certain amount of time, but forever keeps on repeating till we click on the stop sign. Okay, so let's check. Bring it back to the original position. We can go in this direction option and we can drag the direction so that we get it in the original position back. We can try once again. It's go on spinning and spinning. Okay, so this is how you spin a sprite. Okay, you can either use repeat or you can either use forever. That's your choice. Then you need to share this project. Now how to share this project? Click on this share button and then click on copy link and copy this link from here. That's all.